Welcome to online exam demo of Tata Institute of Social Sciences. This video would help you to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please read all the instructions carefully and watch this video completely to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please note online exam format. Exam consists of objective, multiple choice, questions. Examination link and login credentials will be shared with you prior to the examination via email. Email and phone number shared by you to the TIS will be used for communication. You can directly enter credentials and log in to start online exam as per your respective exam schedule. Please note system requirement for online exam. Personal laptop or desktop computer or mobile phone in working condition with good quality microphone and camera. You can use either Windows PC or Mac. You can also attempt exam on smartphone, having camera, with Chrome browser. Internet connection of at least 512 kilobits per second or more will be the best. Latest Google Chrome internet browser, pre-installed, please download and be ready. If you are a Mac user, please note following additional instructions. Download Google Chrome.dmg file. Install this application by double-clicking on it. After installation, move Google Chrome to the application folder. Instructions for web camera. Please test your webcam here. Kindly test this link in Google Chrome browser only. Light should be good enough in the room where candidate is appearing the exam. There should be sufficient light on the candidate face to make it visible to camera. Webcam quality should be good. Candidate can check with above share link in point number 1. Please note important instructions for online test. If any candidate appears for the test through mobile, any phone calls or any other notifications during the test will consider as a warning alert. Candidates must ensure that Aadhaar card or driving license or passport is placed on their desk during the examination and should be shown for authentication. No one else should be present in the surroundings other than the candidate during the test. Candidate must keep in mind that their images will be recorded by a human proctor. Therefore, it is strictly advised that the candidate does not leave the seat during the test. Such behavior will be immediately recorded as a violation. The student may not use his or her textbook, course notes, or receive help from a proctor or any other outside source. Students must complete the exam within 60-minute time frame allotted for the exam. Students must not stop the session and then return to it. This is especially important in the online environment where the system will time out and not allow the student to re-enter the exam site. Make sure you've turned off all distractions like television, social media, and all notifications. Very important, students should not switch screen or move out of the exam page. You will get only one time to switch window as an exception. Second time system will terminate your exam and you won't be able to get access to again resume exam. Minimizing browser window will terminate your exam. The system will alert you for the last 15 minutes of the exam duration. No washroom breaks and snack breaks are permitted during the exam. Before the exam, please test your computer or laptop or a smartphone, which you intend to use for taking the exam, to ensure that it is working well, processing speed is good, and the camera and microphone are working perfectly. Note, you may not be able to appear for the exam if web camera or microphone attached with your system is not functional and the access to the same is not granted. Do not use the Alt tab, mouse or any other device to shift from the test screen to any other screen, or do not try to open any other application while attempting the test. Doing so may result in discontinuation of the test and it will be considered as null and void. Candidates are requested to disable antivirus updates or Windows updates etc. before the exam because the system will treat this as an alert warning. Please note instructions in case of resuming online exam. If candidates have had to discontinue the test for whatever reason, they are requested to re-log in within stipulated time by using the same login credentials. Candidates can resume the test where they have left, as all the previous details including the exam's remaining time will be saved in the system automatically. Should you seek any assistance, please call support numbers shown on the screen. Now let's see demo of online exam system.
Online examination process in the proctored environment. This video would help you to understand how to attempt your online exam. You would be provided with an username and password. You need to enter that username and password and enter the characters as shown on the screen and click on login button to proceed ahead. As soon as you click on login button, you will be shown a test assigned to you. You can click on verify identity button to proceed ahead with your identity verification process. As soon as you click on verify identity, you will be asked to show your identity card in front of the screen. So right now I am showing my identity card in front of the screen, and I am trying to click on capture button as shown on the screen. After approval of your identity card, you can move ahead with the proceed button. Here in the second step, you need to capture your faces by looking in the web camera as shown. So you need to capture your 3 faces by looking into the camera. So I am trying to capture my face as shown on the screen. As soon as you capture your face, system will recognize your face and it will provide you permission to move ahead with the start exam. As soon as you click on start exam, exam instructions will be loaded. You can read all the instructions and you can click on I am ready to begin in order to start with your online examination process. System will ask you for the permission related to your screen to allow to capture your screen. You need to click on allow as shown on the screen. And you are not allowed to switch examination windows while test is in progress. If it is you are trying to do it multiple times, then your exam might get suspended. So this type of warning alert will be shown to you. So right now I am on the exam page, so I can attempt any question. I can click on save and next button in order to move ahead with the next question. So I can even mark particular question for the review purpose. There is a timer available on the right hand top corner. You need to keep track on this timer, as online exam will get automatically marked as completed if this timer get elapsed. So you need to keep track on this timer. There are various color combination or color annotations available for the questions. Attempted questions will be shown in the green color. Not attempted questions will be shown in the gray color. Attempted and marked for review will be shown in the blue color. Not attempted and marked for review will be shown in the purple color. At any given point of time, you will be recorded. Your activities will be streamed like this way, and remote proctor will continuously monitor your activity to ensure that you are not using any kind of cheating or any kind of malpractices are not happening during online examination process. You are not allowed to take help of any books, notebooks, mobile phone, electronic gadgets while the online exam process is going on. Otherwise, your online exam might get suspended by the proctor. You can also initiate chat with the proctor using this chat symbol, and even remote proctor can also initiate the chat with you using the same button. As soon as you reach to the last question, submit test button will be made available. As soon as you click on submit button, you will be shown the summary of your attempted questions. And if you are sure that you have completed your attempt associated with all the questions, then only you are advisor to click on yes button, so that your online test will be marked as complete. But if you are not attempted all the questions, then it is advisable to click on no button and attempt all questions before clicking on finish exam button as shown.